What's good, man? It's your boy Said back at you again, man. I made something pretty nice on this machine right here. I want everybody to get a good look at this, because this right here means bad news for a lot of people. If you got an MPC, probably want to sell that and get this. But you need a computer and audio interface to make it work correctly. But yeah, I suggest you get rid of the MPC like I did and get this. I had the MPC 1000, 2000, 4000. I had groove boxes, all that. This is the truth. I'm going to proceed to show you how I made this track. Anyway, the original sample is Spinners. Let's see. I'll Be Around. Right there. Something like that. Yeah. Okay. So I split it up into quite a few different samples. You made your choice. Now it's up to me. Put it on two different pads. You made your choice. Put it on two different pads so I can keep it going if I wanted to. It's up to me. Check this out. So that's what you see. We did some drums, real basic. I'll let you hear what we got. First, let's start with this. Shaker, clap, little groovy. I'm gonna show you a little play around. Okay, and then we had this right here, a little something, real quick. Main drum beat. Got somebody calling. I'm about to call him back. My boy Foot right here. Okay, and then we got the sample. Let's go back. Hey, I'll be around. Yeah. That Hookmaster music right there, that real grown folks. Now this music right here is strictly for grown folks, so I want you to understand that. No kiddie stuff in here. You understand? So I'm gonna let you check out the track, man. Tell me what you think. I ain't gonna give you too much. You made your choice. Little intro part I did. Hey, I'm gonna tell you one more time. This Native Instruments Maschine, go get this. Go get it. Otherwise, you got an MPC, you want to try to compete, it ain't gonna be pretty, man. It ain't gonna be pretty at all. It's gonna be something like this. Hey, like he said, the spinner say, should you get the Native Instruments Maschine? Is it killing? Costs quite a bit of money, about $600-700. Is it worth it? Alright, man, we out, man. That's enough. I can't take no more.